In today's video, I'll guide you in ensuring consistent colors between your Illustrator and After Effects files. Let's begin. For this example, I am using this Illustrator document. If I check the hex color code, it reads 206EA8. When I import this to After Effects, I should have the same hex color code. So head over to After Effects. In After Effects, I am going to import the Illustrator document. I'll go to File, Import, and then select File. Go and select your Illustrator file. I'll change my Import As settings to Composition, Retain Layer Size, and I'll select Open. I'll drag the newly created composition to my timeline. I'll scale it to fit my screen by pressing the letter S on my keyboard, and then scale the image to fit my scene. Now, I am going to select the eyedropper tool and select the blue color to confirm it has the same hex color code. You can see the hex code is different than the one in Illustrator. Let us go back to Illustrator. Back in Illustrator, we can observe that the blues are richer than those in After Effects. This difference is because our Illustrator file is set to CMYK mode, which is a format used for physical prints. However, for this scenario, we don't intend to print, but to create a digital video. So we need to change the color mode of this Illustrator file to RGB. So in Illustrator, head to File, then Document Color Mode, and select RGB color. Now, go ahead and save this Illustrator file to set our new color mode. As we return to After Effects, we notice a change in our colors. Let's use the eyedropper tool to confirm that our colors match. And there you have it. The hex color code now aligns with our Illustrator color. You now know how to ensure consistent colors between your Illustrator and After Effects files. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Till the next one.